pandemic starts. No work, no place to go. So, we decided to travel what we live, Palawan. We don't wait for memories to come. We make them. Bought a camper van for my family. They're so happy with the rides. Tsaka para makainis na din sa mga pinapag yung mga pinakaki. Kagaya nito. Sinetap ko na din, pati pick up ko. Put a rooftop tent in a flatbed storage para lahat ng rigs ready to go. Madalas sa mga biyahe namin wala nang kakapit destinasyon. Pero saan kami mapadpad, isa lang ang mahalaga. Ligtas ang bawat isa at masaya. This is Doming, Mafet, Joshua, Jeyo, Jadon, Janice, at ako, Gio. We are all fam. Be one of us. Yo, what's up? Biyahe tayo ngayon. Kasama natin si Skydog. Let's go, let's go. Isang dog? Isang dog. Dito sasakay si Sky. Yan. Ang sakayan ni Spikey. Sky, down. Sky, up. Sky, up.